What's up guys, Logan here. Today we're playing some Black Ops 3 and yeah, I got the gameplay in the background and so today I'm just gonna explain like what I'm gonna do on my channel because I'm basically kind of doing a channel update. Not really, but I would say it's a channel update. So if you guys are wondering like what a channel update is, it's like you're not deleting your channel, but delete your videos and stuff, but you're just uploading something new. So that's basically what I'm doing. I hope you guys don't mind. It's just kind of getting in COD. But some of you still probably wondering, what are you going to do with Minecraft? Yes, I'm still going to upload some Minecraft with my friends. And yeah, so right now, if you guys are wondering, I'm in like a COD clan, like CSGO, Black Ops, Advanced Warfare, and all that stuff. So it's called Apex. So right now we got like 7 members or something. So I'll leave our leader YouTube in the description. So if you guys want to go subscribe to him, go ahead. And yeah, so my Minecraft, yes, I'm actually gonna upload some of that. So yeah, that's all I gotta really say is the channel update and that. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of my content, and yeah, peace.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.